Now you've downloaded DingoLinks and unpacked it to a folder on your computer. If you open it up, it should look something like this. This is the folder that we want to upload to your web server in order to have it on your website. And there's a few options for that. You can use File Manager in cPanel or your web host control panel if that's available, or web disk if that's available to you. And that's set up like a disk on your computer where you can drag and drop files, or an FTP client. Now I'm going to be using FileZilla. Now I'm already logged in and over here into the public HTML directory, and on the left hand side is my local computer, and I'm already navigated into the DingoLinks install folder, and this is the folder that we want to upload, so I'll right click on that and select upload. Now that's going to take a few minutes, so I'll pause the video and I'll restart when that's complete. Okay, the FTP is completed now, and I'll see, yes, there's the DingoLinks directory on the server. Now I should mention there's a few options that you have too for FTP software. There's FileZilla, Core FTP, WinSCP, and there's a few others. If you Google FTP software, you'll find a few things out there. Now the next thing, once everything's uploaded, we need to open up your DingoLinks folder at your website at yourdomain.com/DingoLinks. Now you do also have the option to call it something else. You can rename the folder before you upload it, but you then navigate to that, and that'll take you to the install PHP file. Okay, and that'll look like a form here that needs to be filled out, and I've got one pre-filled out here except for the registration key. Now if you haven't already collected your registration key, you'll need to log into the DingoLinks member area, and I've already logged in, and you'll need to type in the website URL that we're going to be installing it on. So I'll just paste that in there on DingoLinks and then register. Now if you have a single site license, you only need to fill out the register website one, and for a 5-site license you can fill out up to 5 of them to get the 5 separate registration keys. An unlimited domain license will have the registration already up here in the membership area. So I'll copy that registration key back to the installation form, and I'll just paste that into here. Okay, and then when we type in the main URL that we've just registered at DingoLinks, and also it's another important thing too, we must use the email registered at DingoLinks up the top there as well, and your main website name. So that's your main website name, not the DingoLinks directory, so your main domain. And the DingoLinks directory, so if you did rename it, you'll need to type in the name of the DingoLinks directory there, and self-explanatory, your administration username and your administration password. You can set up the background color and the heading color, this area here, with these, just selecting that way. And if you use Google Analytics, you can log into Google Analytics by clicking that link there, and you can choose whether to show them yes or no, and you just type in the short part of your code from the JavaScript from the Google Analytics code that you get when you're from their website. And on the DingoLinks index page, which is yourdomain.com/DingoLinks, if somebody just navigates to that page, it'll automatically go to the DingoLinks sales page with your affiliate link connected to it, so you get any commissions from those sales. But you can choose to have another website displayed there by selecting other URL and then just filling out this form here with the information for that website that you want to show instead. The error 404 URL, you can type in your main website there, or any other website that you like, just in case the source of the DingoLinks that you've created is down. So if the website that you're going to be pointing to has an error for any reason, your visitors won't see that. Instead they'll see this page. And down here is where you type in your affiliate link number, which you can get from the members area as well. That's your membership ID in the member area at DingoLinks. And you can choose whether or not to show the powered by DingoLinks link on your pop-ups at the very bottom, yes or no down there. Now that link carries your affiliate link ID, and again any commissions are yours. Hidden directories down here, DingoLinks will see any directories on your website. So if you want to hide them from DingoLinks, you just type them in here, separate them by a comma, and this will show you the current directories that DingoLinks will see. And if you have the yes option here for use subdomain links, when you create a link you'll be given two links, one using a subdomain and one just a standard Dingo link. Now you'll still have to create the subdomains on your server if you choose to use those. And the next one down, enable traffic dingo. That'll just put a short link on your create links page in your administration panel, just so that you can easy access the traffic dingo, if you remember, and get a short link to use that in your Dingo link. And the bottom one, again self-explanatory, that's your Twitter username. If you use Twitter, you can leave that blank if you like. And finally, I'd suggest just checking over the form one more time to make sure that everything's correct, and then click the install now button, and we're ready to install DingoLinks. Okay, so the registration key was okay and DingoLinks has been installed. Now we need to make sure that the install PHP file is deleted from your server, and that should be deleted in the next process by clicking the button, and some servers don't allow that to happen. So just in case the next step I'm about to show you doesn't work, don't worry, you'll just have to go into the FTP file, and just like this, and when we go inside, we'll then just scroll down and find the install, right click on that and select delete. But I won't do that right now, I'll just show you the next step, and that's clicking on the delete install file and going to the administration panel. And that's done. So as I said, on my server that allows me to do that. On some other servers you'll have to manually delete that. So we'll type in the administration name and password that we saved and log into the administration panel. And there we are, an installed DingoLinks. So thank you